Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a staging on a headboard and a matching storage box. As usually when I make these headboards, before shipping them off to the customers, I have to do a staging or some form of photo shoot, to place these pictures on Instagram or to send these pictures to my potential customers. So today I'm just gonna go through the whole process and I've decided to do a video on it. So let's get started. Before I start with the setting up for the staging of the headboard, I'm just showing you some time-lapse short clips of the construction process. Earlier I've upholstered the headboard, so now I'm doing the installation of the pieces. Now I'm lining the back. To my old subscribers, I would like to say thank you for the support on this channel. If it's your first time here, I just want to extend an heartwarming welcome to you. Please consider subscribing and turn on your post notification bell. My name is Africa, and on this channel I do DIY decorating and designing. Now I'm about to work on the storage box, so I'm just stitching the fabric for the upholstering. Now I'm upholstering the storage box. Many times I've shown persons my headboards and storage boxes, and they would ask me who creates them. I would tell them it's me. A lot of times they fail to believe or they are surprised. Just for me to prove that it's me, I would refer them to videos on my channel of me doing the actual job. Now I'm adding the base. Now I'm lining the box. Now I'm adding the cover. As you can see, I am at the final stage with the storage box. So after I'm done installing the inches, I'm just going to jump into the setting up for the staging. guys, this is the headboard. I'm not ready to unveil it yet. So I'm gonna put her on a comforter. I'm just gonna add, the headboard is gray, so I've decided to use a blush comforter. Blush and gray, they complement each other very well. So I'm so glad I have this comforter. I've added a tab on the lid at the front of the storage box for easy opening. Also, I've added 2 support lid straps. As you can see, even when the storage box is not at the bed and it's open, the lid will be supported by its 2 straps. The box has a solid, fully lined interior, and it stands on 6 gliding furniture legs for easy pushing and pulling. These boxes are well made. They are very sturdy. You can sit on them and they can store a lot of things. The fabric used here is leatherette. The color is gray. The measurement is length 45, width 18, and the height is 19 inches. This box can be placed at the end of a king or queen bed and also anywhere in your home. This is a queen headboard with solid wooden borders made from guango tree wood. The borders are stained in mahogany color. This is my first time doing this design. I've not thought of any specific design name for this piece as yet. It looks like Tetris, which is a woven design with subtle borders. The headboard is measuring 67 inches in height and 60 inches wide. From the top of the mattress upward, it is 48 inches in height. Therefore, the full height of the bed is 19 inches. So for the staging, I just use a blush comforter set. The wall is blush as well with some striped white designs. And I just added a gray cushion, add some gold accessory, lamps as well. And I added a gray rug, fur rug, and also a throw. It's a reversible throw. One side is gray and one side is white. So I just tried to create a little bedroom setting for the photo shoot. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. I was so happy to share with you and give you an insight of some of the things I do after I make these headboards and storage boxes. Remember to like the video if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Subscribe if you have not. And most importantly, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I make a new upload. Also, if you'd like for me to make one of these boxes or headboards for you, connect with me on Instagram at freecasdesigns. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.